So let's begin with the sentences which shows how to celebrate achievements. And now today we are going to transform our basic English to wow English, right? All right. So very simple, very common, very basic sentence we have, that is बधाई हो. है ना? तो बधाई हो को कैसे बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में? Tell me. What is the next one?
Congratulations.
Congratulations, right? Used to say better version, that is many congratulations to you, right? और जब हम जाएंगे wow English में, then we will say, hey, huge congratulations, you truly deserve the success. Speak along quickly what we say.
Huge congratulations.
Huge congratulations. You truly deserve this success.
The success nahi, the success, okay? So it is the success. Huge congratulations, you truly deserve the success. Okay, so let's move to the next one. मुझे नौकरी मिल गई. अब कैसे बोलोगे मुझे नौकरी मिल गई?
I got the job.
I got a job.
I got job.
और बेटर वे में कैसे बोलेंगे? Hey, I have secured a new job. और wow इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? I have landed my dream job and I'm super excited. So here हम सिर्फ बता ही नहीं रहे हैं what I did, but we are also telling how we are feeling after getting the thing we most require. Okay? Got it? So speak along. I just landed my dream job and I'm super excited.
I just landed my dream job.
I just landed my dream job and I'm super excited.
Good to know. Okay, the next one. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Tell me, इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे?
You did a great work.
You did a great job.
You did a great job.
work. Okay. And in a better version, you did an excellent job. है ना? किसी को बोल रहे हो great किया, लेकिन आप उसको बोल रहे हो excellent किया. है ना? It sounds better. But when you want to say the wow version, hey, you nailed it. That was truly impressive. Rips. Practice along, say along.
You nailed it.
You nailed it. That was truly impressive.
Here's the thing, don't read it. Express yourself. Don't speak to impress, speak to express. Right? सिर्फ हमें words use नहीं करने हैं, हमें अपने expressions भी use करने हैं. Hey, you nailed it. That was truly impressive. Quickly speak along.
Hey, you nailed it. That was truly impressive.
Yes, that was better. खुद भी आपको realize हुआ, right, आद्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ये तुम्हारी कड़ी मेहनत का नतीजा है. बोलते हैं ना, तूने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया, ये तेरी बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करने का रिजल्ट है, नतीजा है, राइट? तो इसको कैसे बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में?
It was the result of your hard work.
This is the result of your hard work, या it was the result of your hard work, right? अब इसको बेटर कैसे बोलेंगे? Hey, you know, your hard work has paid off, right? Better English, your hard work has paid off. और wow वर्जन में कैसे बोलेंगे? Your dedication and persistence have finally paid off big time. Practice along, say along, everybody.
Your dedication
and persistence have finally paid off big time.
Good to know. Okay, next one. मेरी मेहनत रंग लाई. You know, मैं बहुत टाइम से बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रही थी और मेरी मेहनत रंग लाई. इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? मेरी मेहनत रंग लाई. My hard work paid off. ठीक है? ये जो हमने better version में पिछले वाला सेंटेंस बोला, उसके better version का मीनिंग ये होता है, मेरी मेहनत रंग लाई, तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई. अब इसको, ये तो हो गया बेसिक वर्जन इस सेंटेंस के लिए. अब इसको बेटर कैसे बोलेंगे? My efforts finally paid off. Speak along. My efforts
finally paid off.
And when we move to the wow version, after countless hours of dedication, my efforts have finally borne fruit. क्या किसी को यहाँ पर born की spelling में कुछ problem लग रही है? Tell me.
B-O-U-R.
Born एक होता है B-O-R-N, एक होता है B-O-R-N-E. Let me tell you the basic difference. Born B-O-R-N मतलब without E. इसका मतलब होता है किसी चीज को existence में लेकर आना physically, right? और जब हम ई ऐड कर देते हैं तब होता है किसी चीज को कैरी करना, चाहे वो फिजिकली हो या वो इन माइंड हो, राइट, या वो फिगर्स की फॉर्म में हो. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you got the basic difference between born E wala and without E wala? Yes? Tell
Yes,
me, tell
ma'am.
me. Okay, so speak
Yes,
along.
yes.
After countless hours of dedication, my efforts have finally borne fruit.
After countless hours
After
of
countless
dedication,
hours
my
of
efforts have
dedication, my
finally
efforts
borne.
have finally borne fruit.
Good one. Okay, so next one. सफलता का स्वाद मीठा होता है, right? तो बोलेंगे success is sweet, right?
Success is sweet.
Better version. Achievements bring happiness. Achievement bring
Achievements bring
happiness.
happiness.
And a wow one. Success tastes even sweeter when you work hard for it. Speak along. Success tastes
Success tastes even sweeter when we have worked
worked hard for it, right? Okay, let's move to the next one. मुझे एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट मिला. Tell me how to say this sentence in English.
I got a big project.
I got a
I
big
have got a new project. A
I
big
have
project.
got a new project or I have got a big project. दोनों ठीक
Big
है?
project.
ठीक है? But when we go to the better version, I have been assigned a major project. Tell me how is it?
I have been assigned a major project.
I have assigned a major project. And when we go for the wow one, I have been entrusted with a high profile project and I can't wait to start. Speak along. I have been
I
entrusted.
have been interested
With a
with
high-profile
a
project
high
and
profile project. I can't wait to start.
Next one. तुमने अपने सपने पूरे कर लिए. Tell me the English version. Translate this sentence in English. तुमने अपने सपने पूरे कर लिए. Try. At least फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप करेक्ट सेंटेंस बना
You
रहे.
have achieved your dream.
Yes. You fulfilled your dreams या फिर you achieved your dreams, right? And when we go to the better version, you turned your dreams into reality. Speak along. You turned your
You turn your dreams into reality.
yes. And when we go to the wow version, you transformed your vision into success. Truly inspiring, right? Speak along. You transformed your
You transform your vision into
Truly
success.
inspiring.
Truly inspiring.
truly inspiring. Yes. ये सिर्फ एक शुरुआत है ना? अभी तो बस शुरुआत है, हम बोलते हैं ना, अभी तो बस शुरुआत है.
This is just the beginning.
This is just a beginning. And when we go to the better version, this is the start of something bigger. है ना? More expressive. This is the start of something.
This is the start of something bigger.
Yes. And when we go over the wow one, this is the foundation.
This is the foundation of an extraordinary journey ahead.
Excellent. This is the foundation of an extraordinary journey ahead. Next one. तुम्हारा आत्मविश्वास प्रेरणादायक है. ये बहुत ज्यादा शुद्ध हिंदी चली गई. Let me tell you the meaning of it. आत्मविश्वास का मतलब क्या होता है? Tell me. Anyone can tell me?
Confidence.
Confidence. And प्रेरणादायक क्या होता है? प्रेरणादायक क्या होता है? Inspiring. Yes. So we can say your confidence is inspiring. Yes. और इसको better version में बोलेंगे. Your belief in yourself is commendable, right?
Commendable.
And when we go for the wow one, the way you carry yourself with confidence.
With confidence is truly admirable and motivating.
Yes. The way you carry yourself with confidence is truly admirable and motivating. Let's go for the next one. All right, that was the last one. आज पता भी नहीं चला कितनी जल्दी finish हो गए, right? How was it? कैसे थे sentences? Tell me.
काफी बड़े थे.
बढ़िया थे?
It was a long sentence.
Your basic English with the wow version, right? वही basic English बोलना. देखो, कोई भी बहुत ऐसे हाई लिटरेरी वर्ड्स नहीं थे, है ना, ऐसे बॉम्ब फेंकने वाले वर्ड्स नहीं थे, या फिर आप किसी के सामने बोलोगे ऐसा नहीं है, उसको समझ में नहीं आएगा, बट द वे यू से इज मोर एक्सप्रेसिव, राइट?